games, you can see by result they play very well.
Son muy buenos jugadores que están en buenos equipos de la Liga Española. Nos traerán mucho trabajo a los defensas, pero estaremos preparados para detenerlo.
It's really hard for us and it's hard to do something, but we'll do our best to recover to the match and hope we'll do our best.
You are defender, and have you been Salomon Rondon, Miku?
Yeah, of course.
You know,
We did not study them, but how I did.
Son muy buenos jugadores que están en buenos equipos de la Liga Española. Nos traerán mucho trabajo a los defensas, pero estaremos preparados para detenerlo.
In defense, and that we're hoping to do tomorrow too. But we know they have really good quality there in front.
What do you expect with these games in Venezuela and El Salvador?
Of course, for us, we didn't qualify to the last European Championship, what will start now in June. And for us, it's important anyway to play some games. And every friendly match is a good chance for other players or to test some good different things to prepare for official ones. And of course, we're not coming here on vacation or rest. We're coming here to play football and to have a good experience too.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So,